Okay. Pressure just dropped.
Pumping it off.
Drop. Okay.
Got oil in it, right?
Yep. Well, what do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Well, get started, I guess. We're ready to start it.
You want me to?
Yeah. Because I think I have to throttle it possibly, right? No. You got oil pressure.
I don't have the oil pressure up on here. I'm not really worried about oil pressure. Where's your pencil?
Like everything I did to this thing has everything to do
Alright,
with
so I
oil
got RPM, coolant temp, 65, that's perfect. IAC, battery voltage, 13 volts, 8 pounds fuel pressure, that's normal. 105 PSI oil pressure, which either I wired that sensor up wrong or the scaling's off in the Holley.
pressure.
Yeah.
So if the oil pressure shitty, it will be noisy.
If that moves, it's probably got oil pressure. Of course, I have to come right down here and start it by the fucking header.
You do want to wire it.
You want earplugs?
No, I want to be next to it when it explodes.
Oh!
You want me to do it?
Yeah, fuck yeah, I do.
I don't want to do it.
I'll stand back here and try to figure out how to measure if it happens.
Yeah, so you're going to take this wire to the positive post and it fucking
That's like your ignition, and then when if it fires, just let go.
Ready?
Yep.
How was it so hot? Scared me. It's supposed to be that way.
I mean, it's
Fuck,
hard.
dude, it
It's
sounds
like
tedious.
I mean,
nothing.
legit. Scared me how high it was revving. Like,
Because
uncontrollable.
it's nothing is set up yet, so
Right,
that's
I
a
get
high
it.
idle. It may have came down on its own if you just left it alone.
That was a trauma response.
It probably didn't help that I was screaming in the background.
Well, my brother and I almost had like a fucking diesel runaway once with ether when he struck right in the gas. So.
I'm right up here. Let the pump do its thing. Once we get it running, we'll open doors and stuff.
And the oil pressure didn't change. Buffers are way quieter than I
They
thought.
are.
I didn't do that.
No, it's just because it's.
I looked underneath to see if it's pissing.
I don't see anything. I'm really curious why it doesn't show.
Oh, found the fucking bolt fell out. Cool.
Without the bolt.
Yeah. Wherever that was. I thought about that a few minutes ago too. I'm like, oh, maybe it'll fall
I
out.
just want to see if it's got oil up here. It's got oil pressure, so right.
Maybe the stick dropped.
Oh, actually, yeah. Actually,
I didn't look at it before, so.
oh yeah, she's pumping. It was way up. So. Hey, babe, will you hand me my flashlight over there?
It's right there.